Hi, today I am going to do a review of my stay here at the Hilton Los Angeles in Culver City. I got invited to go to the YouTube shopping event, which was super awesome. I'm glad I stayed here because it made the whole experience so much better because I didn't have to rush. Sit through traffic. This is a great location if if you're doing things in the area. But as far as like entertainment and walking around and dining and stuff, I don't see any of that here. So I didn't do any of that. I booked a 2-queen room. Initially, I was hoping that Krista could be here, but only one of us was able to attend the event. But I kept the room with the 2-queen beds because I actually like having an extra bed so I can lay out my suitcase and my stuff instead of putting it on a luggage rack. I'd rather have the bed to do that. So check-in was pretty easy. I couldn't check in till 4. I tried to check in earlier. I actually got here really early, had like 3 hours to kill, and I thought maybe within those 3 hours, maybe it would get reduced to maybe like 2 hours or 1 hour, but nope, check-in was right at 4. I could not check in earlier. But luckily, the lobby here is gorgeous. I had a cafe with Starbucks coffee and little light bites. The bar was open. It's a really nice lobby. A lot of seating, a lot of comfy seating. So I actually didn't mind hanging out in the lobby, and the 3 hours actually went by really fast because I had my laptop and I was working. So once I was able to check in, I got to my room. I'm on the 4th floor in room 403. I want to say the check-in, I don't know. They're not very friendly here. I don't want to say they were mean, but they weren't very welcoming. And I got that a lot kind of like wherever I went around the hotel. Like last night I had a glass of wine at the bar, kind of the same, not very welcoming. They don't really say anything like, hi, how you doing? Or yeah, it's just very like, oh, you need a menu? Okay, here you go. I don't know, maybe it's just the area. I was here for 2 nights and I checked in on Wednesday and today is Friday. No, is today Friday? Yeah, it is, okay. I checked in Wednesday. My event I went to was on Thursday, and then I check out today, Friday, and check-in is at 4 p.m. Checkout is at 11 a.m. So anyways, let me give you a tour of the room. So this is the 2 queen beds, and next to each bed, there are outlets and USB outlets as well. And then, did I mention that the bed was pretty comfy? You get 2 different types of pillows. You get the soft, and then you get the little bit more the firm one, so you get options. I will say, like Hilton, I'm usually pretty pleased with their bed. The pillows are always comfy. The mattress is always just perfect. Like I always get a pretty good night's rest when I stay at a Hilton. It is really dark in here. I want to say I wish it could get brighter, but this is it. They just have lamps. And then if it's not sunny, like right now, that is pretty dark in here. There is a TV console and a lamp. Got 2 free complimentary bottles of water each day. And then there's some drawers there. And on the bottom here, I thought this would be where the fridge is, but it's actually where the digital safe is. So if you need to, lock up some of your valuables, you can do that there. The TV had, the regular cable channels. I do like their thermostat. It works great. It was easy to use. I had to adjust the temperature to make it a little bit warmer in here because it's getting a little bit cold now that it's October. So that was easy to do. The trash cans down there. Oh, and the desk. This is also a desk too, and not just a TV console. I have the chair over there. So, but this is a working desk. Okay, so then if we go into the hallway, it's really spacious. I love how spacious this hallway is. And if Crystal was staying here, we would be able to put the luggage rack here. So there's plenty of space to put like luggage and, items right over here. Do like the large, floor length mirror. This is always great to do like an outfit check before you head out of the hotel room. And then over here is the little bar area where you can get your coffee. I didn't have any of the coffee here, but they have Coffee Bean, which is a nice brand. And your ice bucket. So yeah, I didn't really use anything in the station. That's the one I got last night from the bar. And this is where the fridge is. And the fridge works just fine. And then in the closet, there is a ironing board, plenty of hangers, and then a luggage rack. So all the essentials in there. I do wish they had like a robe and some slippers because I don't like walking barefoot in my hotel room. Going into the bathroom. The bathroom is nice and spacious. I love these mirrors. It makes it so much easier to do your makeup. So I've noticed like most of the Hiltons I've stayed at, they have all like replaced their bathroom mirrors to these illuminating mirrors, and they're fantastic. I love it. So the sink area has got plenty of space. So I put all, you can put all your toiletries here. I just packed up. So, but yeah, I use this entire space. There's a big bottle of lotion. They provided plenty of towels. I didn't use all of them because it was just me here. There's a blow dryer and then extra toilet paper. I also like that, they're trying to conserve water, so they have a toilet that does that. The shower is really beautiful. I liked the color of the tiles. It was nice and spacious. The only thing I didn't like was the shower head. Oh my gosh, the pressure was so low, it was annoying. I would spend so much time in the shower just trying to get the shampoo out of my hair because it was so weak. That's as strong as it gets. So I really hated the shower pressure here. It was horrible. But the water was nice and warm, so I can't complain. I'd rather have hot water than a low pressure. Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and the brand is Crabtree, which is really nice. I had a lovely scent. I did like the shampoo and conditioner that I used. All right, so that was the tour of the room. Like I said, overall, my stay here was very comfortable. It got me good night's rest. The event was nearby. I didn't have any issues. I had everything I needed in my room. I wasn't missing anything. There is, if you needed to work out, there is a gym here, a really nice sized gym. I checked it out just to see what it looked like. There's also a nice pool area, and it's also dog friendly. So if you wanted to bring your pets, it's dog friendly. They have like this little pet area station, which I thought was really cute. Overall, like I said, I liked the stay. Staff could have been a little bit more friendly, but they weren't mean. I just like to, when I go to a hotel, I just like that nice, pleasant type of attitude, but it was more just like, okay, you're checking in, here you go, here's your key, So, like I said, not me, it just wasn't very warming. Anywho, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.